Today we are going to talk about how to laminate SGP interlayer in EVA oven. First, not all EVA oven can laminate SGP interlayer. Second, some EVA oven can laminate SGP interlayer. Some EVA oven cannot laminate SGP interlayer. So you may need to do some tests to find out the result. You may need to do some tests to check if your oven can or cannot laminate SGP interlayer. And here are some recipes you may need to do the test. First, the vacuum pressure. The vacuum pressure should be stronger than 101 kPa. 101 kPa. Low temperature stage, cold vacuuming for 5 minutes. 10 minutes heating up to 65 degrees, holding at 65 degrees for 30 minutes. And the high temperature stage also named as cooking time. The cooking time 3.5 hours at temperature 135 degrees. And always put only one piece laminated glass per bag. You cannot stack or place multiple pieces of laminated glass in one bag. If you do that, you may have bubbles problem. If you stack or place multiple pieces of SGP laminated glass in one bag, you may have bubbles problem. And please note that the above data is based on the combination glass thickness 6 mm, SGP thickness 0.76 mm. If you laminating thick interlayer or glass, please keep the same temperature but prolong heating time for both stages, the low temperature stages and the high temperature stages, by 10 or 30 minutes. Let's review one more time. First, the vacuum pressure stronger than 101 kPa, low temperature stage, cold vacuuming 5 minutes, 10 minutes heating up to 65 degrees, holding at 65 for 30 minutes, and the high temperature stage, cooking time 3.5 hours generally at 135 degrees, and always put only one piece laminated glass per bag, per silicone bag. You cannot stack or place multiple pieces of laminated glass in one vacuum bag, or you may have bubbles problem. If you want to order the SGP interlayers made in China, please simply send us an email and you may expect answers in 12 hours. Please contact Peter Lin. Our email address is cincy@cincyglass.com and backup mail address is cincy@cincyvet.com. And you can also contact us on WhatsApp or WeChat app and mobile phone. And our website is cincyglass.com, cincyvet.com. Thanks very much for watching. The SGP interlayers made in China in our factory